let's say crypto bubble, right? So if we are on crypto bubble right now, the buyers are in control, so that's why you are seeing majority is green. So if you are going to trade, you should be thinking of buying. You guys get it? If you are going to trade, you should be thinking of buying. So anytime you wake up, you check investing.com for the news, and you come to this particular website called cryptobubble.com. If majority of the coins are green, that means the market is bullish. If majority of the coins are red, that means the market is bearish. When I say the market is bearish, that means people are currently selling. If we say bullish, people are currently buying. So we already know that the market is bullish. Today we know that people are currently buying the coins. Okay, so what we will do next is we'll go to a website called CoinMarketCap. You are going to go to a website called CoinMarketCap. So let me share it for you guys to see again. So I will share the CoinMarketCap here. Okay. So there are some things that I will teach you guys. They are very important. That's why some of you are not making money. So we go to CoinMarketCap, then you click on the logo here, the logo at the left hand side, right? Many of you already know it, but you click on the logo at the right hand side. So we are going to select the coins that are currently trending. Usually when a coin is trending, the banks will start to trade it, and some retail traders like us. So we are retail traders. So we'll go to the trending section. You can see the trending section at the left hand side. So you click on the trending section here. Okay, let's see. Let's go back. Then we are going to click on the trending section. Okay, let's allow it to load small. So when we click on the trending section, now these are the coins that people are currently trading. Before you select a coin, make sure it's listed on Binance and Bybit. So before you select a coin, you make sure it's listed on Binance and Bybit. So all these coins, they are listed on Binance and Bybit. So let me just find a coin that we can trade. So let's say we want to trade XRP. Okay, so we can click on XRP here. Remember, you can just select any coin from those this thing. Yeah, I hope you guys can see the coin market cap. So what I'll do is I'll just look at the right hand side. So on the right hand side, this is where the news are currently at. The right hand side, this is the fundamentals. If people are talking positive news about XRP, what you should be thinking is buying. You should be thinking of buying it. If people are talking negative news about it, you should be thinking of selling. So you can see five hours ago, BlackRock is sure we will. Okay, so you see people are currently investing in XRP, especially BlackRock. You already know about it. All this news can help you determine the direction of the coin within 24 hours. So what I usually do is I'll look at the right hand side, the news. So when I look at the news, now you also click on the market section. Okay, so when you click on the market section, they are going to tell you where the coin is currently listed, the exchange. So we know XRP is listed on Binance, it's listed on Coinbase, it's listed on KuCoin and Kraken. So because of this, that means it's a legit coin. You can trade it. For the past 24 hours, XRP has been down 4%. Please turn off your mic. Whose mic is doing this? Please turn off your mic. Okay, thank you. So what I will do is I'll now go to trading view, right? I'll go to trading view. So I will share my trading view here. So let me share trading view. Okay, so let's go for trading view. So we share trading view. Okay, so this is trading view. What we'll do is we'll now click on the corner bar here where the pairs are. So we search for XRP, Ripple .p. So always add the .p because we are trading futures, perpetuals. You make sure you add .p to it. So if you are trading on Bybit, select Bybit. If you are trading on Binance, you select Binance. If you are trading on OKX or you are trading on BitGet, you select it. So right now I will select Bybit. So that's where I want to demonstrate. So I'll select Bybit this way. So when I select Bybit, now the next thing that I'll do is the PDFs can help you understand what I'm about to do. You are going to do a top-down analysis. So you click here, then you start from the daily time frame, right? So on the daily time frame, we know that the market was in a downtrend, but the downtrend hit the support level that is around this particular place. So this is our support. So this is our support for XRP in the daily time frame, this place. Okay, and we know our strategy is if we are in an uptrend, we wait for a pullback, then we enter in that same direction. If we are in a downtrend, we wait for a pullback to the upside, then we sell. So right now XRP is in an uptrend. Looking at this daily candle here, so we can even set a limit order by waiting for the trade to hit the resistance zone. That's now the resistance zone for XRP is 0.6313. So if you are going to trade, I'll advise you wait for XRP to hit 0.6313. The reason you should wait is that this place is a resistance, it's a wall. It's a wall protecting it at the top side. So if it's able to break it, you could see like when the price break came to this level, it started moving down again. So if you are going to trade XRP, you need to wait for XRP to break that resistance zone. That's about 0.6313. Okay, the next thing too that you want to do is, okay, some people are coming to the class. I have to add them. Let's add. Okay, sorry guys. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll now go to the 4-hour time frame. So I'll click here again, go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so now in the 4-hour time frame, we have a range market. It's currently consolidating. Okay, but I'm going to help you guys with the position sizing and the risk management. So if we go to Bybit, so let's go to Bybit. So Bybit right now, my balance is $60 in Bybit. So let's say I'm going to share my Bybit profile when I'm calculating the lot size. Okay, so we go back to trading view here. So now let's say we are buying, right? We are going for a long position. So because we are going for a long position, we'll click on the long position button. That's the price prediction tool. If we are going to sell the market, we go for the short position tool. So we'll click on this one. That's the long position tool. Then I'll bring it to the entry level and add it this way. Now we are going to make sure our stop loss is at the nearest support level. So I'll drag the stop loss to this level. Remember, we use 1:3 risk reward ratio. So increase this to this part, almost 1:3. So the reason now is if we risk $10, we'll be making $30 or $35 back. Okay, so now that we have added our long position, this is what you guys don't usually do. That's why you can take 3 trades, and when one trade is in loss, you will not make anything because you don't calculate your positions. So to calculate the position, please pay attention to this. Okay, you double click on it. Okay, so when you double click on it, you are going to enter your account balance. So this is my Binance account balance. You are going to enter your account balance here. So you are supposed to enter $60. Okay, because on Bybit, let's go to Bybit and I will show you guys something here. So on Bybit, let me share my Bybit. I'm coming here. So we have Bybit. So we share Bybit here. Okay, so now this is Bybit balance $60. So you are supposed to enter the $60 in your account size. So we go back to trading view again, then we click on the share. So let me just help you guys with the position sizing. Let's see. Okay, trading view is here. So go to trading view. Okay, so you are going to enter the amount in your wallet. So if you are having Binance and you have $100, you are supposed to enter $100 here. If you are having $50, you are supposed to enter $50. So let's say I am having $100, I'll enter it. Leave the lot size, don't tamper with this. So now we want to know the quantity. So with the quantity, I can decide to use 10%. So I'll go for 10% here. Then I'll press OK. So when I press OK, they are saying I should use 142.5. That's my quantity. Guys, look at this. This is your margin. This is what you should be entering inside Bybit. So if you were having Binance and you have $50, this is the amount you are supposed to be adding inside. Okay, so you are supposed to be adding that amount inside. So what I'll do is I'll now go and add that amount there. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, we go to Bybit. Let me share the Bybit. Let me present share Bybit. Okay, let's share Bybit. So I will share Bybit this way. Okay, so now we have Bybit. Yeah, so we have Bybit. So now that we have Bybit, we are going to calculate the quantity. So on Bybit, they also have calculator. You can see this button here. That's the calculator. I hope everyone is seeing it. So that's the calculator for Bybit. Okay, so you are supposed to use that calculator so that you can know how much you are going to enter. So we go here, then we'll click on the calculator here. So when I click on the calculator, I'll change here to XRP. So I'll just search for, okay, we have XRP here. Now the leverage. So we are going to use 50x leverage. Then quantity. So the quantity is the amount that I was talking about. That was the 142.5. Okay, so that's the quantity that we are supposed to enter here. So we have our quantity 142.5. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Okay, it's okay. Then we'll go for our entry where we entered the market. So let me go to trading view and I will share my screen again. Okay, I'm just going to share my screen here. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen again for trading view. So for the trading view, you need to know the entry. If you don't know the entry, it won't work. So we know our entry. So double click on that bar here to show you the entry. So this is our entry level. So we have our entry level at 0.6196. So that's our entry. And our profit level, that's our take profit level, 0.7481. 0.748. So this is our entry. So I'll go to my Bybit and use the entry there. So we have 0.61. Okay, so our entry is 0.6196. So we have 96 here, 96. Then our take profit. So when you enter your take profit, I will just share my Bybit right now and explain certain things. So we have 0.7481. We have 0.7481. Okay, So I'm going to share my Bybit and show you guys when I keyed in the information what Bybit is now telling me. Okay, so I'm just coming here. Let me share my this thing again. So we have Bybit. So I'm just going to share Bybit. So after entering 50x leverage and the quantity on trading view, so that's 10%. So that will be $6. So my margin will be $6. So 10% of $60 will be $6. So now we have our entry. So our entry is where we entered the market. Then I'll take profit here. So if the trade goes well, we are going to make $18 profit. If the trade goes well, we are going to make $18 profit. Now you can do this for all the trades that you are going to take, so that you now know that, oh, if this trade goes well, this is how much I'm going to make. If this trade goes well, this is how much I'm going to make. If not, if you are just entering numbers inside, you are not going to make money at the end of the day. Because let's say here, if I use Ethereum and I use $6 for Ethereum and I use $6 for XRP, the values of the coins are not the same. If Ethereum increases 50%, I might make only $5. But if XRP increases the same 50% with the $6 margin, I might make about $2, or I can make it up to $8. So the margin is different. So you need to calculate using the position size so that all the trades will have the same dollar amount. Okay, so now you guys have to ask questions so that we'll see how we can do it. Okay, so please ask questions. Okay, so if you have any question, you can ask so that we'll go through it together. Please, if you have any question, make sure you ask. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, my phones are here, so you can even text me on WhatsApp if you have any problems. So if you have any problems, you can just text me on WhatsApp so that I'll use my phone to answer you, or you can use the mic. So this is position sizing that I've just showed you guys. It's very important you understand this. If not, you just be gambling with your money. That's position size that we just did. Is the risk management that I always use. I remember yesterday, it was Billy. So you made profit for about 3 trades and you lost only 1 trade and it took everything because you don't use risk management. That's the reason. So if you are not using risk management, you can make profit for 4 trades and just 1 trade will clear all your profits. Okay, so you guys should start asking your questions so that we can see how we go through this together. Okay, so ask your questions. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, Rashid. Mr. Rashid. Mr. Rashid, you have a question? Yeah, Victor. You have been making money, oh. Look, some people are making money. Like, some people are making a lot of money here. Serious. Some people are cashing out big time.
Yeah, it's true, but it's all about the risk management.
So, do you understand the position sizing?
Yes, I've actually understood what I said right now. My question is that the trading view, is that the one inside Binance or the actual website? Because I tried to download.
No, the actual website. The actual website. Use the actual website. You can even use the app.
I don't know why. It's not working on my device. I don't know why.
Oh, okay. I'll send you a link. I'll send the link in the group for everyone to use.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So even with this thing, you can still use your app. I have the app also on my phone here. So I have the
Okay.
so if you don't have a PC, you can still use the Trading View app for the position sizing. I'll just record my screen and send it.
My laptop.
Yeah. So Solomon, Mr. Solomon. Okay, any other question, please? If you have a question, you ask so that I can explain. Okay. About the affiliate bootcamp. About the affiliate book, you said about the Binance affiliate bootcamp. Yeah, I can hear you. Huh? So that's what I'm saying. So now let's say you are using 10% on each trade, but even with the 10% that you are using on each trade, you need to raise like 2% for a margin for a trade. You need to use 2%. So if you have $50, you can use 10% of the $50. That's $5 on each position. So you can open 3 positions at a time. And after opening the 3 positions, each trade should not take more than 2% of your account. You get it? So if you enter a trade and maybe you lose $2, it should hit your stop loss. If you are losing $2 on one trade, it should just hit your stop loss. So that's what it is. So you can be using $5 per each trade that you are taking. Okay, just use Google. If you are going to trade, you can just use Google. If you just enter $100, 10% of $100, they will tell you the amount. You will now use Trading View and calculate that same quantity so that all the pairs will have the same amount. So if you are making $10 on XRP, you are also making $10 on BTC, and you're also making $10 on Ethereum. But if you go and use $40 on BTC, then you go and use $20 on Ethereum, then you go and use $30 on XRP, then maybe XRP is not doing well or Bitcoin is not doing well. You are just going to lose money. Okay, Pumaya, you have a question. Please ask your question and you can unmute and ask your question. Okay. Okay. Someone is also asking me a question.
Yeah, so can I ask my question now?
Yeah.
Okay. So I don't know if it's relevant, but just for giving to my beginning.
Yeah.
So how long are you supposed to keep a trade?
Okay. So
Because
this one, let me just simplify it for you. So if you have taken a trade that's on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, you can hold the trade till Friday.
Okay.
But I don't advise you hold a trade during the weekend.
Okay.
So that's why you guys have seen that Monday, usually when we take trades on Monday and they are doing well, I don't close them. Let me just explain this thing for you. You see, from Monday to Friday, once you enter a trade, within 2 hours or 3 hours, no one will tell you whether you are right or you are wrong. Like you automatically know. you automatically know whether the market is moving in your favor. But starting from Friday, New York close, when New York Stock Exchange close, to Sunday around 5 p.m. That time, when you enter a trade, they are telling us cryptocurrencies are 24/7, but still weekend is not advisable to be trading. For cryptocurrencies, you can start trading around Sunday 5 p.m. Those times the market usually moves very fast, so you can start trading at that time. So with that time, once you enter a trade and you are at the right place, just move your stop loss to entry and hold the trade. Okay,